Kusuke umsindo kufika izikhulu kulesikhungo ziza emsebenzini. Izisebenzi kanye nabazali bavale amasango. Bakhala ngabakubiza ngokuthi ubulwane indlela ekuphathwa ngayo iziguli kulesikhungo. Lesikhungo sike saba ngundabuzekwayo phambilini kuvela izinsolo zokuhlukunyezwa kweziguli. Lesikhungo kuthiwa siyikhaya labantu abangaphezulu kuka-60,000 esifundazweni. Umndeni kaNtando Dlamini owayeyisiguli kule ndawo usanemibuzo ngokufa kwakhe. Basola izisebenzi ngokungamnakekeli othandiweyo wabo.
Department of DSD no-DOH kunalo uxhaso abalifakayo for ama-patients kodwa epheleni kosuku lezo zibalo asizazi ukuthi zishona kuphi.
In about October 2019, the board was hijacked and a new board took over.
Izisebenzi zikhala ngokuthi iziguli ezinye ziyaxhashazwa kule ndawo.
Into eyenzeka lana inkohlakalo, kuntshontshwa imali, abasebenzi abaholelwa ngesikhathi, iguli azinakwa zidlisa udoti.
They are concerned that another life esidimeni is going to happen right here at DCMH, and that's what we're trying to prevent. In the past, service providers haven't been paid because there's not enough money, the roofs are leaking.
Iziphathimandla zinqabile ukuphawula ngalolu daba, kodwa ababhikishi bathi bazoqhubeka nokuvala lesikhungo kuze kuzwakale ukukhala kwabo. Londe Hadebe, SABC News eThekwini.